What's up, Glam friends? Thank y'all for tuning into another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure y'all hit that bell button so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you're returning, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be customizing this purse right here, y'all. I got this purse for Secret Santa from this girl that worked with me. It's a cute purse. It's a Steve Madden purse. I feel like it's missing something. Like I need to add a little pop to it. So make sure y'all stay tuned to see how it turns out, okay? So as you can see, I have all kind of little jewels I got from Amazon and stuff. But specifically, I had this one little waist bead. It was like waist diamonds I had to do for this photo shoot. Y'all, I gained a little weight during coronavirus, so that thing done popped. So I decided I might as well use that on this purse. So I think it's going to be cute on this purse. Right now, I'm like just cutting off the ends and measuring it and stuff. So yeah, we should see. So now that I have my measurements done and stuff, I'm about to use this E600 glue. You can get this glue from Walmart, your local Walmart. I think it was like $4 or $5. But I'm about to use this glue and outline where I want to put the little diamonds at, the little rhinestones, chains, and stuff. Also, yeah, you have to be real careful with this glue because I swear the glue be coming out of the tube by itself. You do not have to squeeze this tube. So be real careful when you're using this glue because it will get everywhere, literally. So now it's time to place the chain onto the glue. Be real gentle, have patience, because like I said, this glue is real tacky, it's real messy, and you do not want glue everywhere, all over your purse, all over your furniture and stuff. So just be patient and gently press down each piece onto the glue. Now I decided that I wanted to use my needle and thread to sew down the ends of the where the chains in and the middle part. So that way if the glue if it wasn't enough glue, it won't come off. later on down the line, you know what I mean? So basically, just to make it extra secure, I ended up sewing the chain down to the purse as well. You don't have to do that as your option. I'm doing it because I don't want my chain later on falling off of my purse. Feel me? Now you just tie the knot and repeat. Oh my god, yes. Yes. This came out so cute. I'm so excited, y'all. I love the way it came out. I'm so happy. If you like this video as well, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for watching this video with me, Glam friends. I'm so excited to have y'all with me. I'm so excited to be doing this, customizing pieces and stuff just for fun. You feel me? So, thank you. If you like this, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button once again. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video, okay? Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Love y'all. Deuces. Bye again, friends.